Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature 8 big haircut trends that you can try in 2023. Here we have this gorgeous ginger colored bob haircut. And it looks like the stylist is doing a very dramatic inverted bob hairstyle for this one. I think that the color and the cut just looks absolutely amazing. Next up, we have someone doing the very popular layered haircut trend. Looks like she is getting some bangs added with her hairstyle. Beautiful. So the stylist ended up giving her a gorgeous bottleneck bang. Beautiful waves throughout. And she is rocking the ombre hair color trend. Next up, we see this gorgeous curly haircut transformation. Wow, absolutely stunning. Looks like the stylist added a bit of layers within the cut. The curls and everything look amazing. So then we have someone who is wanting to go short and dye their hair red. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So she ended up getting like an angled bob with red chunky highlights mixed in, money piece highlights, gorgeous. And then we see this stunning lob haircut. And then we see this gorgeous platinum pixie cut. Followed by this blunt bob. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.